First of all, on behalf of Goa Police, I would like to wish all Goans a very happy and prosperous Ganesh Chaturthi, and at the same time I want to share with the all Goans that our field formations, our SDPOs and our PIs have already conducted security meetings with the organizers who will be organizing Sarvajanik Ganesh Pandals. They have already been briefed about the safety and security precautions, and I also understand that large number of people who live in towns, they will be going to their ancestral homes for celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. Although we have already alerted our beat staff, our police stations, to ensure that no property offences take place, but nevertheless, since police is sometimes stretched out, so I request on behalf of Goa Police that those who are leaving their houses, they should also alert their neighbors that they should at least keep a sharp eye on their houses also, because in many towns there is a neighborhood watch scheme. That is what the neighborhood watch scheme is all about, that if you are leaving your house unattended, then at least your neighbor should be aware that you are not in the house, and if at any point of time they hear any kind of noise, and they should alert 112. And at the same time, our police control room vans, our beat staff would definitely be patrolling, but during festivals our past experience indicate that sometime the property offences do take place. So I request everyone, each one of you, to be very cautious, very circumspect, and celebrate the festival with great responsibility, and take those who will be organizing the Sarvajanik Mandal, they should also keep watch on all their surroundings. The major pandals would also have police presence, so in case of any problem they should try to contact our officers, and 112 is working 24/7. So in case anybody wants to share any kind of message with the police department, they can make use of 112 number.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.